Good morning. This is day 2. Welcome to another vlog with Mayank and Tanya. And today is Monday, but I'm not working. I have taken a day off and we are out walking our puppy. And after we are done with this, we have to get ready and we have to get going soon because we have a lot of work to do, a lot of errands to run today. So that's why I have taken a day off to get all the things done. So Tanya and I will just give him a walk probably and then go back home and then quickly get ready and leave for the day. And we'll stay tuned with you guys and see how that everything goes as planned, which it will. And that's it. That's the plan for the day. So you guys all have a good Monday as well. That's our back pool area. We haven't given you a tour of our community yet. We'll do that sometime soon. But well, that's the building we live in. And here's the sky. Good morning, Marvel. So this right over here, these lot of trees, this is nature preserve. So basically it's a walking trail. Come. And we often used to take Marvel there, but these days we are not taking him there because it's kind of creepy because there's so many snakes out there because of the summer season. So we are not taking him on the trail. And the last time the funniest thing happened because we took him on the trail and they have a little lake in between and he jumped into the lake because we took him off leash. So that happened. And he loves water. He's a Labrador, he's a water dog, and he just went to see his friend. We saw a big one the other day. So okay, we are gonna give him a walk and then we'll stay tuned with you guys for today, how our day goes today. But as I already said, after giving him a walk, we're gonna go back home. We're gonna make our tea and shake, and once we are done doing that, we are just gonna head out for a lot of things to be done today. Okay.
Our shake is ready and we gotta go run some errands. So this is here already. We don't make excuses because it's Monday or any other day. So every single day, tea and shakes. And he's here already and we gotta go out now. Okay guys, so we are on our way and it's a beautiful day. I'm having my tea, he's having his tea here, and we're heading to the first place where we're gonna get our work done, and then we are gonna go to the other place, and then I'm gonna go get my eyebrows done and upper lips done, and that's it. Just look at the beautiful weather
so we just came back. It's really hot out there. It's like 95 degrees. And we got some of our work done. So we got our driving license renewed.
I got my state ID here.
So we got that done. Took some time. Here's the ID. Not a pretty picture. And
mine
that's
is pretty.
her. So we got that done, and we got some bunch of other stuff done. One thing that we didn't get done is our groceries, which we are gonna go probably tonight. And for now, we are gonna just figure out what we are gonna eat for lunch. Okay, we did a quick fix because there was literally nothing. We have to go for groceries. We are tired a little bit, but anyways, we are gonna gain our energy back. So we just had a little quick fix. We had a little Maggie and the leftovers from yesterday's party with our friends. So we had like 3 or 4 dumplings left over, and so we fixed a little bit Maggie for ourselves. So we are gonna go have some food, gain our energy back. We are gonna go have some tea after the food, and
edit our video then so that you guys can see it. Our first vlog. And that's it for now.
Okay. I'm hungry. Guess what? Something is over here, and we're gonna check it out.
La, 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 la. Let's go and see, Mama, what we have here. Come on. I was so excited for this package.
Okay, let's see what you got.
Let's see what we got. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's open this first. Okay, guys, look at this fitting. Oh my god, I love it. And it's a perfect fit. I wanted high-waisted. This is high-waisted. And look at the back. I love it. And I wanted this hoodie to go with this entire thing. So let's put on the hoodie. So, what do you think? I love it. It's so cute. And the next one, this is like a jumpsuit fit. And I love it because it's so comfortable. It's the perfect size, and it's actually very comfortable. Not super, very comfortable. I love it. See, it has like a mesh over here and here. I love it. I love the fit.
Okay, guys, so we have been working. It is literally, I don't know if you can see it. It's almost
12.
midnight, and we have been working on the first vlog, and it's almost done. So it's like doing its little thing to convert the file, and you're gonna have it first thing in the morning. So we are gonna go to bed. Office hours are over.
Super tired.
Yep, we had a long day because of all the paperwork and errands we had to run. We had a really long day, but we'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog.
Yay! Marvel, do you want to say goodnight?
Marvel, it's the nighty-night time. Say good night. It's the nighty-night time. Okay, guys.
Good
Good night.
night.